Because what we like is people singing together. What we like is singing the same song, feeling the same thing, connecting, vibing, that sort of thing. Yeah? Or is it a fucking tea party?